Yeah.
We are bringing trash, right?
Yes.
So I wanna ask, where we want to put the trash?
Oh, that's easy. We're gonna put the trash in here, a trash can.
Huh. You look this.
Yes.
It's hard to open, and also when we want to open, it's like dirty, right?
Yeah.
So
Kinda lazy lah.
yes, we just throw out the trash, okay?
Okay.
But we see out of here, there's people on it.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Aha, I have idea.
That's Zizao.
Yes, that's it, Zhao. Zhao,
So, what
What
are you
is
doing,
it?
Zao? What is that, Zao?
This is my new innovation for trash bin. This name is smart trash bin. So in here, I ever see there is some people in the musola. They are throw rubbish in anywhere, like the plastic and the paper. So in here, I make new innovation about trash bin. This is smart trash bin. They can sorter the trash, the plastic and the paper. So you can see in here, we connect first to the microbit. Nah, after that, when the Lofi robot detect there is plastic, later the servo will rotate and then will sorter. Nah, this kertas, later will put in kertas.
Zhao, I
Ah.
wanna ask, these innovations for VR, that's, for example, there is
Trash.
trash
On the road.
and we lazy to open because it's dirty and also hard to open. So this the new innovations, yeah.
Yeah, so just this in here, we just put the trash, and then later the Lofi robot will detect that what type of trash. Later the trash automatically get sorted by the Lofi robot, like that, loh.
Oh,
Oh, that's so amazing, yeah.
yes, yes. And before I see you use Lofi robot or touchable machine AI or can detect to trash, yeah. That's
Two types of
plastic
Plastic and paper, yeah.
Yeah, that we use AI. We use AI in here for detect that what type of trash, like plastic and paper, like the.
But how did you do the programming job?
In here, we use Microsoft code in here. This we use the microcontroller, namely is microbit in here, and then we can see this part of the code for make this smart trash bin.
So, later, inshallah, when we in the futures will maybe later will be make like this. And now I will ask you what the components are.
Okay, you can see in here the component is first I make the out of the trash bin use cardboard in here from cardboard, and then in front of this there is the type of the trash, paper and plastic. In here I use servo for make the for sorter the trash in here for the place, and then I use the microcontroller, use microbit, and then I use the extension of the microbit for connect the servo to the microbit.
And also we use a cable
Yeah, use
for
cable data
connected
for connect to
from
laptop.
laptop to microbit. And microbit is the mind of
All the codes,
yes.
the programming. Yeah.
That's
Okay, guys, so that was it for the demo of our newest and latest innovation or invention, which is the smart trash bin or sorter.
Yes, that's
As you can
right.
see here,
Here.
we've already previously explained that there are two types of trash we use, which is paper and
Plastic.
plastic.
And
So this is an innovation for the future, future kids, so they don't actually throw, for example, paper on the road like that, no, and they actually throw the trash in the right place, which is a trash bin. So we made this automatically sort the trash from plastic and paper. So the future will not be lazy to throw the trash into trash.
And also
Please.
later it will be there is our friends that explain about the code and algorithm and flowcharts. Okay, maybe that's
Sino, sino?
Okay.
Now,
we are ZR4.
and now let's move on to the programming.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to report about the code in Ujicom IoT. Okay, so the code is just like this, the simple one, but I will explain. First, the outside Bluetooth wireless. This function for make the Bluetooth make the microbit that is Bluetooth, and then the microbit will show the icon like this if the Bluetooth is on, and he will start forward. Therefore, it will be moved. And if on the connect is the Bluetooth connect to your device like laptop or handphone, we will the microbit will show the icon like this. Then same like before, if disconnect, the icon will like this. Now now it's for the important. The Bluetooth on it looks like a set string paper. We will play the sound string in background. This for is disable machine for detect the object like paper, and we use plastic too. If disable machine detect paper, the string on the microbit will be show the name is paper like that, and then the server right pin will go to the right side, and we pause the servo for stop. And same like this plastic, same like before. Yeah, mention detect plastic. The microbit will show the string. The name is plastic, and then the servo will be right to left side. And then if there is nothing, he will not doing anything. And then there's icon like this. Yeah, maybe that's all for me. For my explanation of it, or maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I will review about the algorithm with sorting, right? And this automatic way sorting system project interest artificial intelligence trained to teachable machine to classify two types of waste, namely plastic waste and paper waste, which are detected visual input from a camera. And, the camera detects and actually identify the type of waste. Output signal is sent to the servo motor that functions as a sorting mechanism. The left servo active for plastic waste, and the right servo active for paper waste. Simultaneously, the microcontroller provides feedback to the user by uh, emitting a sound and displaying consumer text. um, Text regarding the type of waste that has just been success. fully classified and sorted. This project is similar to the last project which was color sorted or considered. So I'm gonna give you about the flowchart. No, the algorithm. There is the teachable machine camera takes picture of the way, and after that the teachable machine AI analyze the way. Visual input is detected by the camera, and the output is sent to the last servo for plastic waste, right servo for paper waste. Microbit will emit a sound if the sorting is correct or incorrect. And microbit also display the text corresponding to the type of waste discarded. After that is the flowchart. There is here the teachable machine camera take picture of the waste, and after that the teachable machine AI analyze the waste. Visual input is input by camera. After that the output signal is sent to the server, and the server if visual right is paper waste, and, and if the left is plastic waste. And here uh, microbit will emit sound if right is short, if if wrong is long. What long sound he will give, and microbit also display text. If what paper waste, uh, the text is paper, and if the plastic waste, the text is plastic. And we'll go back and gonna look detail. And maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Rehana Jibla Prasmana. I am from 8th grade, especially 8th class. So now I will explain you or make sure if you already understand about smart trash bin before that there is the demonstrations from me, Reza, and Zizao. And now I will make sure again if you already understand how it work. So, but before that, I am from team 14. That is, there is Reza Lubis, me, Zizao, Raja, and also Rizky. So, like you see before, there is carton that we already make for can. Now there is two types, that is plastic and also paper. So what the difference? So I say this exam is almost same like before, be like last project, that is conveyor. Why I say like that before? Because we also use Mecode, also we use servo, and we use AI or touchable machine, and also lovierobot.com. So Microbit is the mind all of the object. Why? Because we microbit is like the mind of the all of the object. Why I say like that? Because we connected from microbit extensions to the others like and and then so many else. So we use touchable machine for AI in here, and also there is microbit lovierobot.com that we see before for can detect the paper and also the plastic here. And why I say is same like conveyor? Because We also use AI for can detect the two types of the trash, that is paper and also the plastic. So here we use method also like conveyor, but the different we not use the conveyor, we not use the sensor, and also we use not use the band, but we use servo AI and microbit extensions and females and males. Okay, maybe that's all for me.